Happy morning, children. To fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, let's discuss the fourth supplementary with the photographer. Written by Stephen Leacock, 1869 to 1944. Canadian writer and humorist. Known for light humor and criticism of people's follies. Sunshine, Sketches of a Little Town, and Arcadian Adventures are some of his important works. What are the occasions when photographs are taken? During weddings, celebrations, excursions, farewell, competitions, and most importantly, when we feel happy, we take photographs. Why are photographs taken? To record our events, happenings, to sit and view them later, above all to save our sweet memories. This lesson, that is this non-detail with the photographer. Here, Stephen Leacock is the narrator and one of the main character. Stephen Leacock went to the photo studio in order to take a photograph of himself. He wanted to leave a memory of himself to his family. He was invited by the photographer and asked him to sit inside. The photographer was a drooping man in a grey suit. He had the dim eye of a natural scientist. He was without any enthusiasm. The narrator waited for an hour by reading magazines. To kill his time, he was reading so many magazines which was kept there. Later, the photographer called him inside and asked him to sit before a camera. The photographer went inside the rolling camera and viewed Leacock for a second and came out, tore all the window panes for light. Again he went inside the camera and was quiet for some time. The author thought that he was praying inside, but he came out and told the author that his face was wrong. He also said that he didn't like his head twisting it as far as he could. The photographer felt that the face of the author was wrong. He twisted and turned his head. He was unhappy over the head, mouth, ears, eyes and everything, and tried to change things by asking him to put the hands on his knees, turning the face upward, rolling the eyes and so on. Hence, it took a long time for the photographer to photograph the author. All this got onto his nerve and Leacock got up from the stool angrily, saying that he had learned to love his face with all its faults. As the author burst in anger at the commands and instructions of the photographer, in a moment of animation, the photographer clicked the photograph. He said that finally, in a moment of animation, he had captured the photo and felt pleased about the outcome. Then he asked the author to come on Saturday to collect the proof. When the author went to collect the proof on Saturday, after seeing the proof, it was not like him at all. The photographer had retouched all his features such as eyebrows, eyes and mouth. He said he would adjust the ears also in the print. Infuriated, that is frustrated and insulted with the words of the photographer, Leacock blasted him, saying that he wanted his original God-given face only, not his reconstructed and repolished one. The photographer wanted to prove that he was good in photography and also in editing the picture. But to him, the Leacock said it was nothing. That is, what the picture he has taken was worthless and it was considered to be worthless bauble. Bauble means a thing of no value. ஒரு மதிப்பில்லாத ஒரு பொருள். He left the studio saying the photographer that he loved his original face than the altered one and asked the photographer to keep the photo and edit the photo as he liked, and he left the place. Students, nothing is more beauty than cheerfulness in your face. Be happy, keep smiling, enjoy with what you have. Thank you students. Have a nice day.